Hello friends, greetings from the volcano. We are on the summit of Litlihrutur mountain, Iceland. Today is already July 27th and we are quite a few people here still around 1 o'clock in the night, as you see. I will show you what is happening right now. Is a lot of hot lava there to the east, spilling over, like big spillovers. But not to the south, nothing happening there. Like lava is pushing straight, kind of southeast. It's going to fill this valley here in between those two mountains. There you see firefighters working. They have been working here. Now they're driving home. They have been working here for a long time. All the time I have been here for hours. They have been working here, but they were there. Now they moved there. I don't know if they are just driving home. I think they are driving home. That's it. They are done for today, probably until 1 o'clock. And this is the volcano today. This one guy here is sleeping in a plastic bag or in a bag. He has a drum with him. He has been here laying for a long time. Kind of special. He's going to stay here overnight. Probably he didn't book a hotel. It's a new arrival. He just came now. He's very happy. There the guys, they are flying this thing, what is it called? Filming it. And this is a volcano today. Then we have a big spillover here, south of the volcano. You see, southeast kind of. Here is the lava is spilling over right now. There is another spillover here. Over there, a lot of hot lava. I think they are not going anywhere. I think they are going to stay there, the firefighters, I mean. So see here how it's spilling over, taking new terrain. So the live cam, you recognize it. This is the live cam. I will come in the live cam now and say hello. Hello. I was in the live cam. So it's getting around 1 o'clock soon in the night. pretty dark. So how did you get to the... Is parking lot closed from 6 or not? You got before 6 in?
Or 6, what 6?
It's open to come in here now or not?
Open. I don't...
You don't speak English?
No,
French? Polski?
English, polski mówił.
A kiedy pan przyszedł tutaj?
Ja teď jsem dorazil, dneska jsem přijel.
A tam otwarty jest parking?
Ne, já jsem musel jet zadem. Nepouští.
Nie puszczą?
Ne, nepouští.
I see. You're from Czech? Praha? Praga. Ostrava. He's from Czech Republic. It's my backpack here. I speak some Polish, that's why I can't talk to people from Czech. They're flying a plane, those guys there. This guy is going to stay here. Sleep. Quite a few overnight stayers here. They're flying this thing and shouting there and at 1 o'clock in the night. Forgot this name for this in English. This is life in the volcano, you know, in the night. There are people in love here, having intimate moments. Some they slow down the rocks, and some are just sleeping with their heads on the drum. He has a drum, like African drum, you know. And all kinds of people here around. Actually, it's very good internet connection here. I don't have any issues with connecting to the internet or anything, or uploading the videos. It was worse when it started. Now they did something. So well, wind pushed my telephone. Even more. Fill it to the brim, really, like very much. Very strong wind. I will stop recording here. All the best.